love teaching at seeing the students growing so well from basic to advanced. The special part of teaching is that you do not only you don't only teach students, but you also learn with them. So you must have seen basic level classes. Now it's time to see how my students have grown from basic to advanced level. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
How are you all? We are fine. Great. So let's start with question of the day.
Yes.
Can somebody read what is question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Yusuf, please.
Which one do you prefer, shopping online or purchasing from a local store, and why?
Very good. Did we understand the question?
Yes.
Who is ready to answer? Great.
Ma'am, I will prefer purchasing by local store because if I know the vendor, so he will give me a good quality product and I can inspect easily the quality.
I prefer both of them, online or of local services, because if we know about varieties of products, we can easily buy the products which we know which we needs or which we find the qualities. If we know the qualities, if we know the better products, we can buy varieties of clothes.
Ma'am, I prefer online shopping. Sometimes it depends on person also, because some persons like online shopping because they don't have times and they always want very good qualities of clothes. That's why they always prefer online shopping, and as per my experience, I always prefer offline shopping, because in online I don't purchase any good quality of clothes. That's why I always prefer offline shopping.
Ma'am, I prefer online and offline both shopping, but I like online shopping because it's a very easy process. I just order product and the next day delivery boy come and give me my product.
Ma'am, I would prefer purchasing from a local store, because when we purchase something offline, we have to go there and we have a one-to-one attraction. We have a one-to-one interaction with the shopkeeper, and we can see the product by our hands, and that's how we can check the quality and we can bargain also. So that's how I would prefer purchasing from local store.
I have different opinion that online shopping is comfort because they have many varieties of products. But if you can purchase from good websites, so you can get better quality product.
Ma'am, I prefer online shopping because who have job, they don't have time, so they can order anything on phone. So there are many people who buy that things and they give feedback also, so we can check feedback and we can get best quality product